That is so far away. There's no way. Oh my. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed in so long. Hi. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Q&A video because I don't want to do my makeup again, and I don't know. I feel like no one knows me. So I asked my mom to buy me a pumpkin to carve. Sis bought a baby pumpkin, bro, like a baby pumpkin. So we're gonna carve her today while I answer y'all's questions, because if you follow me on my Instagram, I made like a poll, not a poll, but like a post on my story to ask me any questions you want so that you can know anything you want to know about me, and I'm putting my entire life on the plate because my mom watches some of my videos. Hi, mommy. Boo. If you see this Android phone, this is my brother's phone because I'm filming with mine. Let's start off nice and easy, all right? Because I'm feeling a little sister scared, sister spooked. Oh my god, that's awesome. When did you start doing makeup? I started doing makeup sometime around 8th grade, even though I was absolute shite. I did not know what I was doing half the time. Like 95, like 100% of the time. What made you want to start a YouTube channel? I just love makeup, and I kept on watching a bunch of videos, and I was like, bro, like, I want to start a channel. I actually decided that I wanted to start a channel in 8th grade. Why I started my channel junior year, don't really know. What are your favorite clothing stores? My favorite clothing stores. I love to shop at Forever 21. F with Forever 21. I'm trying not to curse so much in my video. Oh wait, let me show you the outline so far. Spooky. Sometimes I mess around with some Charlotte Rouge. Sometimes I go to Wave. I like to get a lot of my t-shirts at Vans though. I'm literally sister stupid. Aren't you supposed to cut this out first? Oh, I'm pretty sure you are. I'm about to do that right now. Next question is, what is my favorite Greek mythology character or person? Figure? And that would have to be Persephone, I think, just because her story is like really interesting. I like Persephone, but like I don't want to be like that basic bitch, just like Athena. Who's your least favorite friend in the friend group? First kiss? Question mark. My first kiss, to be honest with you, I don't remember. There were like 3 specific occasions where I can't remember which one happened first. I was in 5th grade, right? And there's this guy. I thought he was so cute, and he lived right here, like 50 feet away from me. So I would see this hoe like every day, and we went to the same school. Let's call him Roger. Roger and I, for some reason, started talking. We started becoming friends, and I started catching feelings or whatever. And one day he was like, "Who do you like?" And I was like, "Low-key you," but I didn't want to tell him that, so I was just like, "Why?" And he was like, "I just want to know, just like tell me." And I was like so shy. I was like, "I'm not gonna tell you, but I'll write it down and I'll leave the paper on my doorstep, and then you can come and pick it up." I remember exactly what I wrote on the damn paper. I wrote, God, I thought I was really doing something. I literally wrote the exact words, "I don't like you, but I think you're cute though." Godly. So the next day for school, we used to walk to school together sometimes. He came to my door and he picked me up. And that day he asked me to be his boo. And I was like, yeah, I'll be your boo. A week later, he was talking about how he saw this movie. He was like, I saw this movie and they were just like a guy and a girl, and I think they were dating. And basically they just like kissed. And I was like, cool. And he was like, yeah. And I was just like, this dude about to kiss me, and I did not want him to. We would do this thing where whenever we would get on my street, he would hug me and kiss my cheek goodbye. So he literally goes, okay, bye, about to lean in to kiss my cheek, and I'm just like waiting for my kiss on the cheek. And then he was like, wait, Juliana. And I was like, what? And I looked up at him, and then he goes, and he kisses me. He kissed me without asking me. My elementary school self was quaking in her boots. I did not want him to. And he was like, bye. And I was like, bye. Hell yeah. I don't like the feeling. Next question. What is your biggest pet peeve? Girl, I got a few. One of them is when when like we're watching a movie. I take my movie so serious, like it's not a joke. Like I'm on God so serious. Like do not talk while we're watching a movie. Like it's fine and it's cute, a little banter, a little whatever. But are you really sitting here trying to have a full conversation while I'm trying to watch this damn movie? No, that's what we're not about to do. Another one is when I hold the door open for someone and they just walk past like they're the queen of motherfucking England. Like, dude, who raised you? Favorite season and why? My favorite season is definitely winter or fall because Christmas, hello. And then like fall, like Halloween, knitted sweaters, like the color scheme. Like, are you kidding me? Definitely winter or fall. Probably winter though. Like Christmas, 10 out of 10. What's your favorite food? Mexican, soul food, Chinese food, etc. I get really indecisive, but I want to say out of those that you listed, I'd pick Mexican food probably. Would you ever date a transsexual person? Yes. Like, I don't care. I come from a really religious family, like a really like Christian family, and I'm like comfortable saying that, but that's fine. I don't care. I would date a transsexual person. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm very LGBTQ plus friendly. Like, I don't care about stuff like that. Does ranch belong on pizza? Yes. Do you believe in horoscopes? Yes. Yes, I do believe in horoscopes because some of them are like scarily accurate, especially when it comes to my horoscope. I need a new knife. Who was your first crush / story time of how it came out? I'm not gonna tell you guys the name of my first crush because I know he's still out here somewhere. Let's just say his name was Harry. So Harry and I were bestest friends or whatever in elementary school. I thought he was so cute and he was so funny. We were in the 3rd grade together. And in the 3rd grade I had this friend and she was my best friend and we're gonna name her Sam. Sam was like my ride or die. I'm scared of this pumpkin. We were in class and in class we had like stations or whatever and I almost exposed a name. Harry was in one station, he was like on the other end of the room and I was in another station with Sam and I kind of was like looking at Harry like, oh my god, or whatever. And then she was like, who are you looking at? I'm like, I'm looking at Harry. And then she was like, what? And I was like, I want to tell you something but I don't want you to leak it around or tell a bunch of people. Like, I just want it to be like low-key, you know? I didn't say that exact words, but I was like, bitch, don't tell what I'm about to tell you. And she was like, I won't, Juliana, like you're my best friend, like I would never expose you like that. And I was like, good. So then I was like, I have a crush on Harry. And she was like, you have a crush on Harry? Out loud in front of the whole 3rd grade class. And all you see is heads start to turn. They're like, and I look at Harry, I'm like, oh my god. I look at Harry, he's staring right at me. He heard her. My most embarrassing story. There's a few. I'm gonna tell 2 of them because I don't know. I don't have like a most embarrassing story. Like every time I get embarrassed, it's kind of just all like an equilibrium. This one involves, oh, I just exposed his name. I met Harry. One time I was riding my scooter. Mind you, I owned a Barbie scooter, bro. A Barbie scooter. Little do you know, I run into Harry. I'm on one side of the street, he's on the other. He's like, Juliana, Juliana. And he's with his not his little sister, his big sister. He's with his big sister. And they're both waving over at me. So I thought I was going to prosper and I thought I was gonna like show off my mad scootering skills. So like, god, so embarrassing. So I got on my scooter and I'm like this with the handlebars. And I crane my neck back. I'm like, and I start to do like a back bend on the scooter in the middle of the street while I'm crossing the street to get to him. Tell me why my ass goes flying back. I said, and I went boom and I hit the freaking road so hard. All you hear is the sound of Harry's sister and his feet running towards me because I hit that road hard. They started running towards me. I hit it hard, head first. And I was just like laying and then I just remember laying in the middle of the road so embarrassed. Like so embarrassed. And Harry was like so sweet. He was like, are you okay? He was like, oh my god, like you just hit your head so hard. And I was like in tears, like I am fine. Still cute though. Another one was just happened recently. Basically, junior year, I took a junior year honors English class, right? Which means you're supposed to be like hella smart, whatever. I'm not even carving this damn pumpkin. So I had my crush in my English class, and he was the type of crush where he didn't know you that well. Like, he knew of you, like y'all had each other's social media, but you guys didn't really talk in person ever. Like, ever. He was like one of those crushes, like one of the really weird crushes. Like, you have a crush on him, but you don't really know him personally. Like, it was really weird. It was like a really weird situation. I had him in that class, and I remember it was the end of the year. We're having this thing called a grammar competition, which basically meant we were gonna have the underclassmen come into class with us, and we were gonna have like a little competition, like 2 people, 1 person from my class, 1 person from the freshman class or the underclassmen class. And we were gonna have a competition to see who could answer the grammar question on the board. I was so nervous for this damn competition that I actually considered skipping school. Like, not skipping school, skipping class. I actually considered it. I was like, I had that shit planned. I had that shit planned. Like, I was like, I'm not coming to school this day. I'm not going to be going up there making a damn fool of myself, because I damn well knew sis was bad at grammar, and I did not want to make a fool of myself in front of the crush that I had in that class. So I was like, bro, I did not want to go at all. So the day comes, and I was literally not going to come to class, right? But when the day came, I forgot about it. So I go into class, and the class is all like, the desks are all weird. I'm like, what the hell, what's going on in this bit? And it just hit me. We're having a grammar competition. Basically, I got called up to the board to go against this freshman. And the fucking sentence is like, the dog jumped. What is the subject of the sentence? We'll never forget this moment when I rang the bell thinking I knew the answer, and I said jumped. I said, bing, the subject of the sentence is jumped. And I was like, bitch, got my class a point. And the teacher goes, incorrect. Then it just hit. The subject of the sentence is obviously dog, like hello. Long story short, the freshman won the grammar competition. Next question though. My favorite YouTuber. My favorite YouTuber is hands down Shane Dawson or Kian and JC. Kian and JC are so funny. They make me cry of laughter. Ooh. I Like It by Cardi B, or I Love It by Lil Pump. Definitely I Love It by Lil Pump. How do you feel about the current prejudices in America? Prejudices? I'm actually stupid. I don't know how to pronounce that word. It's like really bad. Like, I don't know. Like, we need to get our act together. Like, yeah. If you fall off of a cliff and you die automatically, do you think you feel pain? Good question. The answer to that question is, I think, like, for a split second, like, I don't know if someone falls off like a really tall building. I don't know if they like instantly die in the air or if they die from the impact. The mouth is about to come out this hole. Oh, hell yeah! Francisco or Haley? If you don't know who Francisco or Haley is, they're both 2 of my best friends. Can't answer that, Reed. Why are you so cute, shishter? Girl, I don't know, like my mom made me this way, you know, like I was blessed. I'm just kidding, I'm actually pretty ugly. If you were ice cream, what flavor would you be? I would be turtle ice cream because I'm black, white, and Dominican. Is that like bad to say? I'm sorry if that was offensive. Here's the finished product. He's not the best, but like at least I carved the pumpkin. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos like this again. If I didn't answer your question, I'm sorry. It's either because I forgot or I forgot. Oh, that reminds me. Francisco wants me to answer who's my funniest friend because he wants to be featured and he knows it's him. Sorry, I'm not better at carving pumpkins. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay spooky. Ow, fucking biatch. Stay spooky.